Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C35 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll use settings as an example for this. So once my content is open and visible, all we need to do is press power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, this will capture a screenshot, giving us an option to share it, and if you disregard it, it should disappear. There we go, after a moment. And that screenshot that we have just captured can be found in our photo application. As you can see right over here. Great phone. There we go. So, as you can see, there it is. Anyway, you can see it right here. So, that is how you can capture a screenshot, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.